My name is Paul Tomlinson and I am the UK Sales Director for EFKA Frame Solutions, and we're based in Derby. EFKA in the Netherlands is a supplier of 6-metre lengths of aluminium, particularly silicon edge graphic aluminium that we build tension fabric frames and light boxes from. And in the UK we take those profiles and we do the same thing on a slightly smaller scale. We supply the UK trade with either finished full profiles or the finished light box solutions. We're trying to show how creative you can get with that sort of product rather than just using squares and rectangles. And you can see behind me here we've got a rocket, which is everything you see in fact is made from a silicon edge solution, the aluminium frames that we produce. What we're trying to explain here is that rather than just making squares and rectangles, we can make all sorts of different, quite adventurous looking shapes. The rocket behind you is made up of a variety of different profiles in cylinder form or just shape form. Some of it's illuminated, some of it's not illuminated. You can see how creative we can get. So essentially endless possibilities, way and above the usual standard stuff. We don't print, so we then tend to supply large format printers, so people who have got the printing capability. Next door are people who are supplying the large format printers, so it makes sense that we're right next to them to talk to the people who invest in a large format printer and then can talk to us about a product they can use with that print. Because we're in Holland, obviously this is not my particular area, but what I can see, they're very well known over here in Europe. There's a wide mix of nationalities coming over here, as well as the UK contingent to see what's going on. The rocket is a big part of that, because I think at first glance you don't quite realise what that's made from. When people realise, it's quite a shock, and a nice shock actually. The other big surprise I think is that the website we have now here in Holland is about to incorporate a website calculator, which will allow clients to go onto the website, get a price, and also make a purchase, buy the product online with all the information they need detailed on the website, downloadable installation and assembly sheets, and I am assured that is coming to the UK in the summer. So in the UK we'll have the same service. I think the general overview is a great show. It certainly feels very buoyant. There's a lot of different clientele here doing a lot of different things. Certainly in the signage hall here, there's a vast range of different products. It's great to see. Even though we're concentrating on one element of that, it's fascinating to see what else is going on.